What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a guest watching me today. It's my little kitten Bailey. She's just hanging out there watching me do YouTube. Anyway, today we are going to be doing a squishy and slime review all in one video. And I'm super excited to do this video for you guys because squishies plus slime equals like a happy person. So plus YouTube, like I don't know what I did for, but plus YouTube equals a good day. So we are going to get started, but before I begin, make sure to smash that subscribe button so you never miss a single video on my channel. So let's get started. And one more thing before we begin, I'm very, very, very weird. If you didn't notice that in like my first two videos, I'm weird. So I'm going to say that a lot, like I'm weird. So yeah. And I'm also like tired, so I'm really weird when I'm tired. All right, we are going to start. So we're going like in increments of the company for squishies, but with slime like increments of the type of slime, I guess. I don't know. So we're going to start with the Squish Delish company. And the first one, I named almost all my squishies, so yeah, I'll tell you that. So this is my first one. I named it Raz Popsicle. And if you have a better name, comment down below. And this is pretty squishy. It's like a flat squishy, which I'm not a huge fan of. I got it in a blind bag, so I can't really say like I hate it, even though I got it like I got it from my friend for my birthday, so I kind of like didn't know. But yeah, this one is pretty good. Oh, yeah, you're just staring at me. Hello. Oh, my phone charger. Hello. Alright, sorry guys. Again, weird. Yeah, so it's very, very squishy. I just don't really like flat squishies, so I'm gonna rate this one an 8. Because like I love it, but it's just a little flat. Bailey. No, you. Sorry. Jeez, you're not gonna get mad at me. I was trying to be like, if you've ever watched Jumanji, comment down below, because I was trying to be like Bethany. But anyway, yeah. So I rate this one an 8. I really like it, but yeah. Alright. This next one is named Mustache Whale, and I bet you wonder why. Because he's a whale with a mustache. Like, if I invented a whale with a mustache, I would probably be the happiest person. Because, like, who would not be happy with a whale plus a mustache? Like, yeah, so his name is Mustache Whale. I'm guessing it's a boy, even though he's, like, pretty pink. But whatever. I love this one. It's a little hard to squish, but again, it's from the Squish Delish company. But it's super slow rising. His eyes are super cute. And I love to just, like, you know, squish him. Yeah. This is a very nice squishy. It's a little rough. I mean, not rough, like hard to squish, but yeah. So I'm going to rate this one, I'm going to rate it a 9, only because it's like a little hard to squish, but it's super slow rising too. The Squish Delish company is, I'm not saying they're bad at making squishies, but there's always, I don't think you can rate it a 10 for a lot of Squish Delish companies. I'm sorry if I offended you again. Yeah. Again, I'm sorry if I offended you, so just, yeah. Anyway, yeah. I just don't think they're very good with squishies. I shouldn't have said that, but anyway. They just make them a little hard to squish. That's it. And one more Squish Delish squishy. This is my brother's squishy, but who cares? It feels like it's kind of hollow inside. It sounds like it's hollow too. It's so weird. Like, I think it might be hollow inside. Don't know. I'm just going to cut it open. Oh, it's not hollow inside. Anyway, so it's pretty good. It feels hollow inside, so it's like super cool. I'm going to rate it a 9 only because like my brother didn't take care of it. And it's not the most slow rising. Again. It's the Super Mario Squish Delish, if it would focus.
By the way.
I wish it would focus. Okay, never mind. You can just see. If you could read that. I don't know. Alright, moving on to my next company is the only one I have of this company. It's the Smooshy Mooshy. Oh, okay. So the Smooshy Mooshy company, and it's the Smooshy Mooshy Doodat Donuts, as you can see. My camera's not focusing today. Anyway. Yeah, so you get 2 squishies. One of them is already out because the lid flew open. But they both smell like strawberry milk because, as you can see, it's a strawberry milk carton. Even a little straw. Yeah. So we're gonna start with the mini one. I'm gonna put that one too. Okay. It's a little fat. Alright, so here's the mini one. It's so tiny and small. It has a little key ring thing on top. I love it. It's just like so mini. I'm gonna rate this one a 9. Because it's not very slow rising, but it's just like so cute. Like, you can have a squishy and it cannot be the best squishy you've ever gotten, but it can be like an okay squishy. But it's like so cute, so you're just like, I love it. I don't know. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm a little weird, but yeah. So I rate this one a 9. It's so cute, and it definitely smells like strawberry milk. It smells so good. And then the next one is probably my favorite squishy I have. My second favorite, I don't know. It's so soft and slow rising on like this. It's hard. Yeah, I bring these, I do the science and math and reading PSSAs, so I bring them as like stress relievers. If you don't know what PSSAs are, they're just like a huge test that takes you like all day. I hate them, but I do them, and I bring my squishies. And really, we're just gonna. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. She just like meowed like a diva. Or she is a diva. Anyway, so the top has like a little donut. I couldn't remember what a donut was called. It's very, very soft. Smells totally like strawberry milk. I definitely rate this one a 10. It's just so soft. And it kind of looks like if you've ever watched We Bare Bears. If you haven't, I don't really care. But I mean, like, I don't care as in, like, I don't care if you don't want to offend me. But yeah, I don't watch it that much, but it looks like the koala from We Bare Bears, except like if you take the donut off. Yeah, whatever. All right, so both of them got really, really good scores. And if you keep them in here when you're not using them, they smell like strawberry because the bottle smells like strawberry. All right, last squishy is my. Oh, I just like kicked. I have the chair against the wall and I just kicked the wall. Okay, is my pineapple squishy. I love the squishy. I got this at an arcade for 600 tickets. The arcade is called Adventure Sports. He's just like my little friend. Hey. Alright, so some of them have like no squishy in them. Like you can see this. It like slow rises, but this. It's like not even a squishy. It's just like it's just like the skim. But this is, I forgot to tell you these names. So this I didn't name, just like a Super Mario kid. This one, this is, what do you think her name is? Well, Dolly Donut, because obviously, I was just like, what do you think her name is? Of course, it was going to start with a D. And this one is, I didn't name him, so, yeah, I forgot to name him. And this one it's kind of funny, the story behind it. I named him Sunny D because we were going to name him Pineapple Dave. And then we knew that he has sunglasses on because it's so sunny. So, and then there's also a drink called Sunny D. So we were like, wait, why don't we call him Sunny D? So his name's Sunny D. And he has the little sunglasses on. I got to choose what color, and I chose blue. So I got him you could get him only at the arcade Adventure Sports. Well, I bet you can get him somewhere else, but you can get my awesome one at Adventure Sports in Hershey. If you live near that, comment down below. And yeah, and also we did an escape room, and that was like so fun. We got out in 49 minutes, so like 10 minutes almost. We had 10 minutes before we had to like quit and leave, so we were close, but yeah, so yeah. I would definitely rate this one a 10 because it's like so squishy, and I got it in an arcade. So yeah, and he's very squishy and soft, and he has the little sunglasses. Okay, so now we are going to do this slime. I'm so excited. So the first one is my glossy slime, and I know I kind of didn't follow the rules, I think, but I added shaving cream. All right, I'm gonna get it out. Can you turn that down a little bit, Max? So it's very, very thick and it's a little sticky, but like you can see it sticks to me. Other than that, it's such a good glossy slime. I broke the rules, I added shaving foam, but I don't think that's like breaking the rules. It just makes it like foamy, not as much glossy. Or maybe I need to add more water. I have no clue. Okay. And yeah, so I rate this slime a 10. Yes, a 10. Because I kind of like sticky slime. It might be a little weird, like I said already, like 1,000 times. But yeah, because I kind of like sticky slime. It just like lets you know like it's slime. It's not, slime isn't supposed to be like, oh my god, it's not sticky at all. Like slime is supposed to be at least a little sticky, you know? Alright, I get addicted to the slime, so I put it away fast so that I don't like play with it all day. Yeah, and this is another batch of it. We made such a big batch that it couldn't even fit in one container. Look how glossy that is. This piece is a little bit better than the other one, but I don't get how because they're like the same, but we touched the other one more, so maybe that has to do with it. Alright. I get addicted to this also because it's the same, so I have to put it away. Next, I'm going to do my putty. Here's a piece of it on the side of the container. Oh my gosh, I cannot open this. Okay, guys, I am so sorry. I cannot. Okay. I was gonna say I don't mind if you fast forward that. All right, so once you don't play with it, this is called Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty, and it's so smooth. It I love it because it's, if you can't tell, it's like super sparkly. But you guys can't see. Well, it's very, very sparkly. You might be able to see when I get it out and stretch it. So you can stick your finger in it and stuff, but it's very hard to get out of the container. But once you get it out, you can get it all out at once. So it does rip. It makes a sound. It kind of sounds like you ripped a shirt or something. All right, here it comes. So these. Oh my gosh, guys, can you see? I wish you can see the glitter. I don't know why you can't see it. If you can see it, then I'm proud of you. I don't know. It's just so pretty. I wish you guys can see it. Oh, there. That's sparkles like that everywhere. Alright, so there's the putty everywhere. I'm gonna get it all together. So technically it's just thinking putty. What you can do is you can stretch it and you can rip it. Whoa! Oh no! This is sticking to me. Oh gosh, it's not supposed to stick. I thought it was sticking to me at first. That's bad. It does pop, if you stretch it and then put it into a real slime swirl, and then it does, you can sort of hear it pop. Well, not right now, but it did. Yeah, so it says you can bounce it, so let's bounce it. So, excuse me, if you roll it up into a little ball, whoa! You can bounce, whoa. you can sort of bounce it. And you can flatten it. Ugh. Let's see, you can bounce it, you can stretch it, obviously. You can tear it. Well, I showed you that. Ugh. Oh. I'm just trying to like do it so fast and rip it. There, you can rip it. Pop it. I told you it would pop, but it like doesn't work right now. There. And sculpt it. Well, obviously. There, I made a mountain. Okay. So yeah, wait, did I not? Oh yeah, I already did that one. I rate this, I rate it a 9 out of 10 because it's just a little tough. I know that's putty, but still. It's a little hard to get out of the container. We'll say that, I guess, because that means it's tough. Alright, I'm going to put the lid on after the video because this is taking way too long. Whoa. Yeah, we're just going to put, and it doesn't dry out, so we're good. Alright, my next slime is a funny story. It's actually a little piece of this slime, and we added purple Play-Doh to it to make it like this. It's not like real Play-Doh. We added the Baby Alive food that you get with your Baby Alive. Because if you watch the video, we unboxed the Baby Alive with Emma and Maddie, which were the girls that got the present. They just wanted to open it on my channel. We were at my house. Yeah, so we added some of the Baby Alive food. It was actually in our Will It Slime video, too. And we liked how the baby food turned out, so we just decided to make, like, a whole slime of it. So this is it, and it turned out just like butter slime. Like, so thick, butter slime does usually break. It's, like, more stretchy than butter slime, though. You can spread it. It's just not amazing with spreading, so, like that. But yeah, so overall, I'm going to rate this one a 10 because it's just like perfect butter slime and I did not even use clay. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I know today was a longer video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, like, and share this video. And yeah, I think that's all I had to say. All right, peace out, guys.